Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to connect TikTok to Facebook. Now, this is actually pretty simple and all we have to do is go open our TikTok app. Once we are here, we're just going to go ahead and look for our profile and just copy our username. So in order to copy our username, I'm just going to go ahead and tap this one here. There you go. As you can see, it says at the top, username copied. Now we're going to go back to Facebook and here we're going to go ahead and tap these three lines and then click our profile. Now that you are here, you're just going to go ahead and tap that edit profile icon in there. Or if you don't see it, you can just go ahead and scroll down until you see edit public details. Basically, if you click it, you will be redirected to this particular part here. Now you're going to go ahead and scroll down and you will be able to see their links. Now go ahead and click that add button. And we're going to go ahead and add a social link. So we're going to click that one and we're going to go ahead and choose TikTok. There you go. Now all we have to do is basically paste the one that we had copied. So this is actually our username. I'm just going to go ahead and paste it there, and then as you can see, it recognizes that that is the TikTok. Now I'm going to tap the save button. Alright, there you go. Very easy, right? Now I'm going to go back here and let's try to refresh our profile to see if it is in here. Alright, there you go. As you can see, we are now seeing our username. So you can go ahead and click that one and then you will be redirected to that particular TikTok account. And yep, congratulations everybody. That is how easy it is to connect TikTok to Facebook.